anymore! Oh, hi! I'm Fred's girlfriend, and I'm just fighting with my best friend, because she said Fred doesn't like me, because he didn't show up for our date, and he likes Judy, but she's lying, so I threw a rock at her, but it wasn't a real rock, it was soft. Oh, this isn't a rock. It's soft. Ow! 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 Stupid rock! Ah! Ah! Stupid rock! I'm gonna go put this back in my mom's rock collection. Move it. I'm gonna throw this one at Judy next time. I know Fred loves me because he sends me Valentine. This is a real mailbox. Stupid thing won't open. Open! Fred, your eyes are like satisfiers in the sky. Your hair is like silk ribbon. And your lips are like peanut butter jelly. Love, Fred. P.S. I hate Judy. Ah, that's so sweet. I love you, honey. Stop. Subscribe.